basically, in a construction project, there's a lot of aspects. There's structural design, there's geotechnical inspection and stuff. So there's one department that's called construction. They actually they're involved in the planning phase. You have to plan all the activities before you actually execute them, because that helps in execution. You, if you know what you're going to do, then you will be confident and you will be doing it very quickly and smooth way, in a smooth progress manner. And they also are involved in the execution phase. Like you have to select which method to be used, how many resources to be used at what time, how many workers to be used for this activity, how many equipment is required for this activity. You get to manage the cash flow of the entire project. Like how do you manage, how when you expect the owner to pay you, and how do you manage the rest of the time when you don't have money from the owner and you have to pay from your own pocket. So yeah, this is pretty much what a construction manager would do in a project. And why I took this, because I believe I found it nice, I found it interesting. I believe that is a bit more challenging than other fields. Also, if you go into structural engineering or geotechnical inspection, you will be sitting in in an office in a cubicle and doing all of the stuff over there. You don't get to go on site. But if you are a construction manager, you will be on site on majority of times. So yeah, I prefer going outside rather than being in an office and sitting in a cubicle. So that was one of the reasons why I took construction engineering management. So basically, you do get a lot of projects to be done in the curriculum itself. There is a lot of theory to be learned, because there are different methods to be applied in project controls. Like you have to use indices, cost indices, schedule indices and stuff. So you have to learn a lot of theory as well, but you do get to do projects. So yeah, you do apply your theory in practical aspects as well. I mean, I took 4 courses, so I had a class almost every day, like Monday to Friday. It's good that you don't have any classes on weekends. Saturday and Sundays off, so that's good. And all of the courses are like 3 credits, so you have to have 3 hours for each course. So like there will be 12 hours per week of college, and it will be like spread across the 5 days. So yeah, it was that kind of schedule. You do have, as I said, you do have 4 courses that are mandatory out of 10, and rest 6 are like elective courses you can choose from the list that you have. So yeah, that is a bit flexible. The courses available readily. I mean, if you go into construction courses, so yeah, I mean they are for you, so they will be available for you. But if you go into like MGMT, like management courses or industrial engineering courses, then you won't be given the first preference. The people from the MGMT course will be given the first preference, and if at all they have some vacancy, then you get a chance to apply for those courses and sit for those courses basically. Yeah, sure. That's what I said actually. You can take those courses, but as I said, you won't be given the first preference, because they also have their own students, right? I am from construction, so I am a construction engineering student. There will be some MGMT student over there. There will be some structural engineering student over there. So they will be given the first preference. If at all there is some space in the class, then you get to sit in the class basically.